So today we're going to be talking about a tight muscle here, especially in the side of your thigh. A lot of athletes or people who just start exercising may find some tightness on the side of their leg or some pain around the knee. This is quite common, and a good way to work on that tightness on the side is to use a foam roller. Now, with the foam roller here, it's very important you get a good firm one that doesn't collapse under pressure. So make sure it lasts a while. What you want to do is put that one on the ground, place it on the side closer to the hip here, using this back leg as leverage, roll up and down like so. Now, if you do have tight structures on the side of your leg and thigh there, you may find that this will be exceptionally uncomfortable at first, of course, but as you practice more and work on that side, you'll start to feel better and the tightness will start to resolve. You may also find that your knee or knee conditions and symptoms will also relieve itself. However, if this starts to bring on more and more pain, then it's important to stop straight away and seek professional help. Okay, thank you for watching.